This is such an amazing problem, you have to use your tiny brains to solve this geometry problem. When I place the two triangles' sides are 3, 4 and 5, what is the overlapping area? For first triangle, let's label the sides as 3, 4 and 5. Smallest side is 3 base 4 and hypotenuse is 5. For second triangle, label the sides 3, 4 and 5. Name this angle's triangles as theta. Let's erase this part of triangle, and now I wanted to construct the rectangle. And that rectangle has this side and this side. And this angle is equal to this angle. This is one diagonal. If we extend this one, we will get another diagonal. If you draw a rectangle with a diagonal and then you draw another line that has these two angles same, then that diagonal of rectangle has lots of properties. One of them is it splits up to 4 triangles. All this for triangle has same area but exactly not the same triangles. Area is equal to 1 by 4 rectangle. The base 4 and height is 3. 4 and 4 cancel out and area is equal to 3 meters square. Because area is calculated as meter square units. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe.